Anyway, see the way the edge of the holes is a bit rough?
Yes.
Just put that lad in there like that, right? And just lightly twist it.
Sure.
And you see the way it cleans up the edge of the hole?
Yes.
And then do it the other side as well.
So I'll do the other side open.
Hmm?
I'll do it the other side then.
Yeah.
You should have safety glasses on.
Why?
Because that thing could go in your eye, you never know.
It's okay.
I've seen a Reddit post and a guy said he was blind in one eye because he was playing with it on the first day without glasses and he shot his eye out.
Playing with what?
A little staple gun. He shot his eye out. He doesn't
That wasn't
have it
very
anymore.
clever, was it?
No. This bit of wood is done. You're stupid. Top
You know,
notch.
your homework done. So, there's the finished for now article. And yes, this is cardboard, but it's very heavy cardboard. And get this stuff in work. It's slip sheets that come in on pallets, and it ends up getting binned, but it's very good. A big pile of it down there, and that's been here for months and months, and all the winter in fact, and it hasn't got damped. So look at, if it lasts a year or two, what about it? So I'm still undecided about the shelf. I don't know. We'll wait and see. I might and I mightn't. So we'll just have to see how it goes. I missed the last bit of me putting in the 2 bits there. Ran out of camera space, so but look, you get the idea. And all done with Storm Brendan raging outside. I don't know where they come up with the names. Right, so I decided I was going to put a shelf up there. And do you know what? I gained absolute bags of storage. And you see that those 2 are labelled up there. And any of them that are not labelled are empty. All my CDs up there, I just can't bear to throw them out. All the money I spent in them. And while we were at it then, we Made labels for them. We made a little dolly for this, so you can pull that out and I can store stuff in behind it that's not used very often. And label them up, and we've one empty there as well, so it's getting there. Slowly but surely it's making its way around the corner. So we just kind of all pallet wood again. We just kind of built on to that lad there for support. Little brace on him, and 2 pallet planks joined together with a bit of straight stuff and a bit of angle, and we put a board behind here on the bottom, and I just put a little 4-foot tube there, which will soon be putting an LED one in it. I want to change all the lights to LED. This outside one here, that's LED, and I just have to make my way through them as they go and changing them, so just a bit more economical. So lost a little bit of shelf space there, but I gained all that, and we just wrapped the corner in some wood. That's the aerial coax there. Just have it coiled up now. I have to extend it. I have a bit there and all, so we're quite pleased with it once we get it painted now. And you see the old jack chains going up to the rafters, so that'll take quite a bit of weight, but it'll just be stuff going up there that's stuff that's not used, you know, but I don't want to get rid of. So happy days. We'll get you in the next one.